What's up, everybody? Brian here with the official attention to details in beautiful Chesterton, Indiana. Kenny behind the camera, just waiting for this bad boy to leave. It's a 2014 Mini Cooper S, full inside detail, outside polish, prepped for the winter with a polymer sealant. That'll be leaving. And then up here we have a really cool 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit from LaPorte Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep. This is a full frontal with Expel Fusion, built-in ceramic coating, 10-year warranty. So we did the full front end and the mirrors on this one, and it'll be delivered out to them tomorrow. And some new lucky owner will be having a vehicle that's protected. So yeah, we partnered up with these guys, and we're looking forward to doing many more. We got some really cool Jeeps coming in with the Hellcat motors that they do. Part of his business that he switched off is branded with is Magasin Performance, and wait till you see some of these Jeeps we got coming in. Super high lifted suspension. Like I said, it's got the Hellcat motors in them. They're going to be pretty neat. We're doing a bunch of them in stealth and in the clear, so we'll keep you posted when those come. I believe the next one we're doing for that filming will be December 5th starting, but we'll keep you posted. Let's go inside and check out what's going on here today. All right, we're inside here, guys. We've got Jay over here fully wrapping this 2021 Porsche 718 Boxster S in Ultimate Plus Fusion. So he's just getting some areas prepped and ready, then he'll be continuing to wrap on this. Kenny will show you some after photos when it's done as well, so look forward to that. Then we have another 2022 Rivian truck that we're completely transforming. We're going with a full stealth wrap on this vehicle here, all badge off. We got Jose up here doing the front fender. So then we'll show you also after photos of this, because it totally transforms. We've done another one. We've done several of these so far, but this is the second one where we're doing the stealth. And with this color, they look absolutely amazing. So we'll keep you updated on this one. We got this one that's leaving today. This is a 2022 RX 450H Lexus that we fully wrapped in Expel Ultimate Plus Fusion, built-in ceramic coating, 10-year warranty, made in the USA. Then we also done window tints. We're finishing the tinting today on it. We're doing the inside of the sunroof just for that added UV protection with Expel XR coating on window film. Sorry, on this one here. We have the new 2023 Ford Bronco Raptor coming in for a full wrap. We also have coming in this week or next week, we have the new 2023 Miata RF. We're doing a full wrap on. Several other vehicles I forget, but very humbled with all the business we're getting right now with the Expel wrap. One thing I wanted to tell you guys, where people don't know much about the paint protection film, Clear Bra, PPF, whatever you want to call it. Expel is a leader in this film with warranty, quality, the whole 9 yards. It is just a phenomenal product. So one thing I want to do, instead of, we can keep showing pictures and everyone out of the woodwork's coming now that's getting involved with this. A lot of this stuff is coming out of China. So it is a form of protection, but if you want a leader in the car protection world, you definitely want to look at Expel. They've been around for a very long time. Everyone knows who they are, and you get what you get, just like anything in life. We invite any of our clients that want to come down that don't know much about it, but they know they want it, to see the difference. So we invite you to come down to our store 6 days a week. We're usually here 7 days a week, Monday through Friday, 8 to 5, Saturday 9 to 1. We've always got wraps going on here, our ceramic coating, our window tint. You can come down and see our work firsthand before you make the decision. And then you can check our work out with other people's work. We give you more for your money. All badges are taken off. All edges are completely wrapped where they can be wrapped. And things don't have to be disassembled. If you want to go that far, we do that as well. So we invite everyone to come down and check our establishment out, see our work, meet our guys. We can make a custom package for you. It doesn't have to be the whole vehicle, or you can do it in slots. We do a lot of clients that way as well. We're also getting ready to be releasing another film that we're using only in color. but we got some phenomenal colors, paint protection film, not a vinyl. So that's going to be being released here shortly as well. Gift certificates, the holidays are coming. No expiry, any limit, and we're going to be having some really good giveaways, so keep in touch on our social media with that, because we're going to be releasing that as well. Check out and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You will see all of our work. We've ramped that up. Cody's been doing a lot of short reels. Kenny's going to be putting some more stuff out. You can see exactly what goes on, how far we go to set ourselves apart from everybody else. So if you guys need anything, get your car protected. We have all kinds of services. Give us a shout at 219-628-0288, 419 Council Drive here in beautiful Chesterton. This is Brian with the official Attention to Details. Love and happiness. Peace.